Aleksandra. I'm assistant professor at the Department of Thermal Science and Faculty of Mechanical Engineering, University of Beograd, and together with my colleague from Master Studies, Andrej Črnila, I will present you international projects that we are currently working on, and they are related to integration of environmental friendly solutions into energy systems development, and also the improvement of public buildings in Serbia. So I will present you now the Erasmus Plus project that is called Clean Watt. It is supported by the European Union and the National Agency of Turkey. And the reasons why we started this project is that after the national report of countries that are participating in this project, we concluded that there are not enough obligatory subjects that are related to environmental protection in energy system development. Also, a lot of students don't know much about European qualification framework that are also national qualification framework and how it fits in your future career development. So the reason that we want to have the unique education system which will allow the mobility of the employees, which is especially important for young people, for you to know exactly how many credits or how much your qualification fits the qualifications that are required in countries, preferably European Union. So the partners on this project are mostly from Turkey. So we have 4 institutions coming from Turkey, one from Spain, one from Serbia, University of Belgrade, one from Germany, and one from Hungary. These are all partners that have a lot of experience in education and environmental protection. So what do we expect to have as a result of this project? So first, there will be a book that is aimed for education of young engineers. It will be integrating environmental considerations into energy system development, and it refers to environmental impacts not only on the conventional energy systems, but also the systems that uses renewable energy systems. Because it is important that you understand that also the energy systems that uses renewables have significant environmental impact, and it is important that you can judge, that you can estimate in a way those impacts. Also, there will be developed education materials such as videos, and there will be a Moodle platform for e-learning, which is especially interesting for young people. So the first result is the book. The book is now under development, and you will see now the short introduction and the short preview of the book. And I would like to thank you that you participated in this seminar, so you can write your emails, and after we finish the book, it will be published online, and you can download it. You can download it for free. And it is important. Your support is especially important, because if the European Union recognize that you're interested in this kind of things, then things will go forward and forward, and we'll have more similar projects that we can all participate in. So there are 10 chapters of this book. Especially it is interesting for energy system engineering, because you don't have maybe so much knowledge about the basics of the ecosystems and the environment, what is ecological footprint, what is carbon footprint, and further we have technological and environmental aspects of various energy systems, such as nuclear power plants, solar energy, wind energy, geothermal, wave, tidal, also hydrogen as energy source, small and large scale hydroelectric plants, and biomass. And so the book is now at the finishing part, and after that it will be available both on English and the national languages of the participating countries. So there will be also, the book will be also available in Serbian. Another result is a small booklet which gives you some basic information about European qualification framework and ECVAT, which is for the target groups. I forgot to mention that our main target groups are mechanical engineers, and especially because in Europe it is strictly divided between industrial and production engineers, also environmental protection engineers, and electrical engineers. So it is very important that you have the basic knowledge about this qualification framework, because it will be something that for sure you will be asked about when you try to spend some time abroad, or maybe change your position. So also this book you can find at our website. We will show you at the end, so you can download this and get familiar with some basic things about it. Also, there will be videos available and e-learning portal. On this e-learning portal, it will also be available in English and also in Serbian. So after you log in, you can participate in the Moodle platform. So there will be like a test that is based on the book chapters, and after that you can see how well did you do. Of course, the idea is to make these educational systems joint. So it is very important that you will get some credits, and these credits are acceptable for your further education in some subjects. The test will have multiple choices questions. So more information about this project, and I will let you know, of course, via email about our newest results. Also, you can like us page on Facebook, so I believe it's more convenient for you. Also, the other project that I would like just to emphasize for short is empowering our Horizon 2020 project, MBuild, which is empower public authorities to establish long-term strategy for mobilizing investment in the energy-efficient renovation of the building stock. Why I would like to say this to you, because I really hope you're the young engineers, that you're the one that will carry out these investments and these energy-efficient renovation. And why we refer to the public buildings? Because the public buildings are recognized as the one that should make an example how some energy efficient buildings are, how energy efficient buildings should look like. So in order to achieve these goals, our project comes from the bottom, which means that the local authorities should be the ones that try to implement these energy efficient measures. So the first thing that is most important is to gather data about our building fund. So, and after that, after prioritization, this project will help in creating long-term strategy. Like, what should you do first in next 20 years, in next, let's say next 5 years, next 20 years, in next 50 years. And you can find out more about these projects on our website, and I hope that all of these suggestions will actually come to realization in the time when you are already licensed engineers. So, thank you.